Hello, kids. Welcome to science class and the day one of sound. We had started the first lesson yesterday. We had done a little bit of it. So why not complete it? आज complete करते हैं चलो. So what we are going to study? We are going to study about science and the first lesson is just about the introduction to sound. क्या होता है? कैसे बनता है? What is it? How is it formed? Objective for this lesson is that we will be able to discuss whether sound will be produced or transferred in certain scenarios. Produce मतलब बनना, transfer मतलब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, and scenario मतलब situation. So we are going to, मैं और आप दोनों मिलके देखते हैं कि in certain situations क्या sound बन रहा है और वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहा है. So, this is a picture of an astronaut in space, and you are trying to talk to that astronaut, but the astronaut cannot hear you. He keeps on saying, I can't hear you, I can't hear you. But ऐसा क्यों? Why do you think the astronaut cannot hear you? Pause the video, think to yourself. Think, think, think. Do you have the answer? If you said ki Didi, the astronaut cannot hear me because there is nothing in space. ना हवा है, ना molecules है, ना कोई भी matter है. Then yes, you are correct. There is nothing in space. Space एक खाली जगह है और खाली जगह में हवा भी नहीं होती है. खाली means there is nothing. तो अगर कुछ है ही नहीं तो sound एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कैसे जाएगा? But दीदी, why does sound need something to pass? वो तो ऐसे ही आ सकती है. That is the answer that we are going to find today कि sound को यहाँ से वहाँ जाने के लिए बीच में कुछ होना जरूरी क्यों है और वो बीच में कौन सी चीजें होनी चाहिए. Let's see. The question that I asked you was that why is the other astronaut not able to hear your voice in space? And the correct answer that you and me both found out is that there is nothing in space. There is no matter in space, and so sound cannot travel without any matter, without any molecules. The definition of sound, please note this down. It is a type of wave. It is a wave energy to be precise. It is formed from the vibration of molecules. Molecules के हिलने से ये बनता है and it needs a medium to pass through like a gas, a liquid or a solid. Pause the video and take down this definition of sound. The first sentence means that sound is like a leher. Second sentence means that sound is formed from the vibration of molecules. We had learned about vibration in our previous chapters. It is the displacement of molecules from one place to another. अपने जगह से हिलने को वाइब्रेशन बोलते हैं जब मॉलिक्यूल्स अपने जगह से ऐसे इधर उधर हिलने लगते हैं. And sound needs a medium. Medium means something through which something else can pass. किसी चीज के अंदर से अगर कोई चीज पास करती है उसको मीडियम बोलते हैं. तो साउंड को भी पास करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ चीजें जरूरी होती है. व्हाट आर दोस चीजें? अ गैस, a liquid or a solid. So the three states of matter. So sound needs all the three states of matters. उनमें से कोई भी अगर रहेगा then sound can pass through it and it will be called a medium of sound. I want you to now make this table in your notebook. If you are not present in class, then definitely. And if you were present in class, then go back to your notes and see if you did this correctly or not. There will be three columns. Okay. The first column is sound produced in this situation. So what is this Didi? Didi is going to show you certain pictures and you have to note down कि इस picture में क्या sound produce हो रहा है? Yes or no? Second question, where is the sound coming from? And third question, how is sound produced? So, pause the video, make this table and come back when you're done. Are you back? Great. So the first picture is about a musical instrument. Think to yourself now, is sound produced in this situation? Yes or no, right? Yes or no in the first column. पहले number 1 लिखो serial number के नीचे and then write yes or no for the first question. The second question is कहाँ से आ रहा है? Yes, you can see that it is coming from this instrument. Exactly कहाँ से आ रहा है? Think to yourself. The third question is how do you think? आपके मुताबिक, आपके opinion के से हिसाब से how is this sound produced? कैसे sound produced हो रहा है? When you are done answering these questions for the first picture, come back. Second picture, we see that a doctor is placing their stethoscope on the chest of a boy. Again, the same three questions. Is sound produced in this situation? Will the doctor hear something in her ears? 2. Where is the sound coming from? 3. How is the sound produced? Pause, answer, come back. Are we back? Great. Third, again an instrument is being played and you have to answer the same set of questions. Pause, think, answer, come back. Are we back? Amazing. So these are the answers to the questions. Let's see if you did it correctly. Pause the video and check if your answers are correct. In the first picture, the sound was coming from the guitar and it was produced when the string was pulled. In the second picture, the sound was coming from the heart or the heartbeat, if we can call it, and it was produced due to the heartbeats, dil ke dharakne ki wajah se. And in the third picture, the sound was coming from the drum when the drummer beats the drum. Now I want all of you to think to yourself and note down in your notebook. अगर कल नहीं किया तो आज बिल्कुल करो. Number one, in all these three scenarios, situations, what are some things common? Common कौन सी बातें लगी आपको? Think very deeply. So how is the sound like? Where is it coming from? How is it produced? Think all the questions that you can think of. And then note down what is common. And in the second question, you note down what is different. तीनों में अलग अलग कौन कौन सी बातें हैं. Okay, is the medium different? Is the process different? How is the sound coming? Where is the sound coming? How is the sound? How does the sound sound like? Sound का quality कैसा है? Think about so many different things. Do note down and share with Didi your thoughts about these two questions. Let's move on. Essential condition for production of sound. So, the astronaut from space has sent you a message. Message 1 says that there should be vibration of things whenever sound has to be produced. Okay, so that is the first essential condition for production of sound. Sound के production के लिए पहली जरूरी बात essential condition, जरूरी शर्त ये है that there should be vibration of things. चीजें vibrate करनी चाहिए तब जाके sound बनेगा. What is vibration? If I asked you, vibration is to and fro motion. To कहीं जाना, fro कहीं से वापस आना. We can also call it as back and forth. पीछे जाना, forth means आगे जाना. So आगे पीछे, दाएं बाएं. अपनी जगह से हिल के अगर आप कहीं जाते हो, फिर वापस अपनी जगह आते हो, फिर वापस पीछे जाते हो, कितना आगे जितना गए थे जितना डिस्टेंस इक्वली उतना. तो आगे पीछे जैसे क्लॉक का पेंडुलम होता है वैसे. If you are moving in a very same manner and very same speed with the same distance also. आगे 2 कदम चले वापस आए, पीछे 2 कदम चले वापस आए, आगे 2 कदम चले वापस आए, पीछे 2 कदम चले वापस आए. This is vibration and all things around us are vibrating. Did you know that? Yes, some of them we can see, some of them we cannot see. So vibration, which is the to and fro motion, has to be there for sound to be produced. Look at the string. When I pull it, it goes up, it goes down and it comes back again. ऊपर जितना जा रहा है नीचे उतना ही आ रहा है. It is vibrating, to and fro motion, back and forth. जब ये ऐसे करता है, what do you think happens to the air molecules around this string? Let's take a look. The air molecules also start vibrating. उनको जाके धक्का लगता है तो वो भी हिल जाते हैं, हिल के वापस अपनी जगह आते हैं, फिर थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं, फिर वापस अपनी जगह जाते हैं. और वो जब हिल रहे हैं वो अपने आजू बाजू के मॉलिक्यूल्स को भी हिला रहे हैं, अपने आजू बाजू एटम्स को भी हिला रहे हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल्स अराउंड द स्ट्रिंग. आप जब कोई रबर बैंड लेके खींचते हो तो उस रबर बैंड के आजू बाजू ऑल द गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स दे स्टार्ट वाइब्रेटिंग. Let's take a look at the different things that can vibrate. गिटार कोई बजा रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? This is what we are seeing here. Look at it. स्लो मोशन में अगर कैमरा को बहुत स्लो कर दूं तो देखो गिटार के जो स्ट्रिंग्स है वो कैसे लहर की तरह बह रही है ना? Why? Because when we pull the guitar string, जब हम गिटार बजाने के लिए उसको पुल करते हैं स्ट्रिंग को, they vibrate, ऊपर नीचे और ऐसे लहर बन जाती है। तो गिटार स्ट्रिंग के आजू बाजू आगे पीछे जितने एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स है, they will also start vibrating. This was an example of a solid material, the guitar, जिसको हम we can make it vibrate. The guitar string is solid and we can make it vibrate. What about a liquid? अगर आपने ग्लास में पानी डाल के टेबल पे रखा और टेबल को जोर से मारा, what will you see? You will see there are some layers going from the center to the sides of the glass, है ना, बीच में से शुरू होके साइड में ऐसे लहर जाती है. What are those? Those are vibrations. And also solids. Are you holding a phone? Are you holding a pen, a pencil? Yes. Then do you know what is happening inside of it? Inside of it, all the molecules are vibrating like this. Because they're very closely packed. बहुत एकदम tightly packed है, इसलिए हमें दिखते नहीं है वो. Again, astronaut Babu has sent you a message. Message 2 says that there should be a medium for the transfer of sound. That is an essential condition for the transfer of sound. Sound cannot be transferred in empty space. अगर खाली कोई जगह रहेगी जहां पे ना गैस है, ना लिक्विड है, ना सॉलिड है, तो वहां पे साउंड ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. ट्रांसफर मतलब यहां से वहां जा नहीं सकेगा. So we need a source and we need a receiver and we need a medium. If you're talking, you're the speaker, which means you're the source of sound. Sound आपसे आ रहा है, so you're the source of sound. If I am listening to you, what am I listening to you with? With my ears. So I am the receiver and I am listening to you with my ears. पर वो आ कैसे रही है? वो आ रही है बीच में जो मीडियम है उसके थ्रू. What is that medium? Air. When we talk to someone, we are producing sound which is getting transferred to your ears through air. So the air is the medium for the transfer of sound. There are three kinds of mediums that can transfer sound. Solid के अंदर से जा सकता है sound, liquid के अंदर से जा सकता है sound, gas के अंदर से जा सकता है sound. गैस का एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? हवा. हमारे चारों तरफ जो हवा है उसके थ्रू we can talk and the other person can listen to us. Now, did you notice that solid, liquid and gas are also the three states of matter? So yes, sound can transfer through all the three states of matter. My question to you is, write down in the notebook. अभी तक आपने जो सीखा उसके हिसाब से what do you think? Can sound travel through solids? अगर आपने एक टेबल पे अपना कान रखा ऐसे जैसे इस बच्चे ने रखा है और दूसरी तरफ आपके भाई ने ढंग 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 करके टेबल बजाया, do you think you will be able to listen to those sounds? What do you think? Write down your answer. Next question is, how do we hear sound? So we just learned that sound requires a medium for propagation. Propagation means आगे बढ़ने के लिए. तो मीडियम रहना जरूरी है. बट साउंड ट्रैवल करता कैसे? एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है वहां अंदर? वो पार्टिकल्स को क्या होता है? मीडियम के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है, व्हाट हैपेंस टू देम? लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इट. सो इफ यू सी दैट अ ऑब्जेक्ट इज वाइब्रेटिंग, ठीक है, व्हाट विल हैपन? वो वाइब्रेशन जाके ऐसे धक्का मारेगा ऑन द मॉलिक्यूल्स दैट आर राइट नेक्स्ट टू इट. वो अपनी जगह से हिल जाएगा. अपनी जगह से हिलने को डिस्प्लेस कहते हैं. So it moves away from its position, goes and hits other molecules, then comes back. Those molecules again go hit even more molecules, then they also come back. So ऐसे आगे पीछे हो रहे. Every molecule is going back and forth, to and fro, to and fro. So the molecules are never going anywhere. अपनी जगह में हिल रहे हैं, but the wave is getting traveled through the medium. Particles are not traveling cross, but the disturbance, ये जो disturb किया है ना, पहले जो molecules को disturb किया, वो अपना disturbance दूसरे को दिया, करते 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 जो लहर है, that wave reaches your ears. Now solving time again. The first question is, can sound be produced by in this guitar? Think to yourself, क्या ये गिटार में sound produced होगा? इसका एक तार टूटा हुआ है वैसे. So do you think it can be produced? What do you think? Write down your answer. if the astronaut is shouting to you, अभी आप भी astronaut हो, आप भी space में ऐसे float कर रहे हो, and the astronaut is shouting at you, do you think you can hear them? What do you think? Write down your answer. Yes, correct. Didi has again given out the answer to this question. He cannot hear you. You cannot also hear him. So, what did you write? Was your answer the correct answer? Now, with that, we come to the end of the first lesson of sound, and I have a home project for you to do. I had told you you will get only one homework, and this is your homework. You are going to make a string guitar at home and share videos with us. Not today, that's wrong. Tomorrow. Your deadline is 5 p.m. Sunday. यहाँ मैंने today क्यों लिखा है? Because this is your homework for today. So I would request you to finish it today. But you do have a lot more time. अगर आप चाहो तो आराम से time लेके कल तक भी you can submit. But by 5 p.m. पक्का. Okay? तो दीदी व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रिंग गिटार वो तो दिखाओ तो अपना मैं जानू कैसे बनाना है. लेट्स वॉच. So you see the person has taken so many strings, Anna, and they have tied it to different boxes, cups. Do you think sound will come out of that? आ रही है आवाज? थोड़ी थोड़ी आ रही है, ज्यादा आ रही है, नहीं आ रही है. नो वरीज. व्हाई डोंट यू फाइंड आउट कि आवाज आती है कि नहीं आती है. क्या मैं सिर्फ एक कप और कुछ रबर बैंड के साथ एक गिटार बना सकती हूँ घर में? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. टेक अ कप, टेक अ बॉक्स, टेक एनीथिंग दैट इज हॉलो, जो अंदर खाली है, उसके आगे पीछे आप रबर बैंड को टाइट करके बांधो और फिर गिटार की तरह उसको बजाओ. मेक अ वीडियो एंड शेयर द वीडियो विद दीदी. आज से करना स्टार्ट कर दो. You have your deadline is tomorrow 5 p.m. All right. I hope you had fun, kids. Let's meet next week. Bye bye.